Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdurrahim Al-Hamarozi. Okay, today I would like to share about the neighborhood concept that is suitable to apply during this pandemic COVID-19. Okay. This pandemic COVID-19 has spreading and wandering around in our community nowadays. This is a dangerous thing that not only Malaysia but affected. In fact, it was affecting the whole world except Antarctica. The first level of spreading is involving by one country only, which is China. Then, the virus become more dangerous. It was spread without realized and ignites what just happened actually in the last year. Okay, this is the meaning of neighbors. Okay, neighbors is the people who live near around the same area where we live. Neighbors is the important thing in the neighborhood life. Neighbors stand in variety of religious alliances that can make the neighborhood be more unique and complex. For example, there are different races such as Indian, Malay, and Chinese people live in the same area. They live with an enjoyable ambient and unite what they do. This is the example for unique neighborhood life. Okay, this is the way how COVID-19 spread. COVID-19 can be found in person-to-person transmission. It's commonly spread between people who are in close contact with another within about 6 feet or 2 arm length. From person-to-person transmission, the virus spread through the droplets or aerosols. When an infected person coughs, sneeze, or talk, droplets or tiny particles, mainly aerosol, will carry the virus into air from their nose and mouth. The next surface another way is surface transmission is one of the ways the virus spreading. Another way to catch the new COVID-19 is when a person touch or hold something on surface that someone has the virus coughs or sneeze on. A person may touch a countertop or doorknob that contaminated under their nose, mouth, or eyes. Next, this is to keep ourselves and others safe from COVID-19. Okay, firstly, we must maintain at least 1 meter distance between yourself and others. This is possible to reduce risk of infection when they cough, sneeze, and talk. Second, wear a mask. The appropriate storage, cleaning, or disposal are associated to make masks as effective as possible. Okay, thirdly, avoid freezing and apply 3W. Freezing stands for spaces that are close, crowded, and close contact. Okay. This part is about the neighborhood concept to prevent spread of pandemic. The neighborhood concept that I face is urban living housing. Why I had faced this concept because they have a separation of pedestrian and vehicular traffic provided, and they have also have a super block. This super block has a large block surrounded by main road. Then this concept has specialized highway system, and the last one is part as backbone of the neighborhood. Backbone as a neighborhood of the neighborhood entrance. The street network and structure of backbone and its mesh hierarchy that the pedestrian path runs through the green spaces between the center of green points. This is possible to avoid crowded situation at the main road, so the speeding had not happened in the area. Then, the street plans form a pattern of rectangular blocks divided into rectangular lots that were usually very narrow to conserve on utility lines and very deep to conserve on streets. The block in each house continues to avoid people close contact talking and spend a lot of time indoors. Okay, however, in this pandemic situation, the population in the community must be less. This is to reducing the spreading of the virus in the crowded and narrow spaces. For example, the extras must be strict that provided 5 to 6 families per acre. This way can reduce the risk of spreading in the community and in the crowded places. Okay, in the conclusion, for the conclusion, in a nutshell, neighborhood control is very crucial to break the spreading of the pandemic. In fact, most of the spreadings occur in the crowded community. If authorities not take an action on the community concept, the number of cases will increase drastically without restriction. In addition, planners also play a main role to provide a safe and healthy environment from the virus spreading. Lastly, we hope all the parties will unite and give cooperation in handling this pandemic from getting worse in our community in the future. Okay, thank you.